friends, thank you for clicking on this video. I am Fariha. Do you hesitate to speak English confidently, especially when English is not your native language? I know you like to avoid fear, don't you? But it just pop out, right? So to overcome your English speaking fear, I collected some tips which are 100% going to work for you. Hey, have you noticed that you click this video, it means you can understand English, but the main villain is speaking, right? No guys, if you can understand English, you can speak also. Just lack of confidence is stopping you, isn't it? So stay tuned with Sweet Talk, stay tuned with learning. So here in this video, I am going to share some simple tips for extraordinary fluency. Now friends, do you want to learn how to speak English well? Are you also looking for a shortcut to English fluency? Well, I don't have tricks that will give you perfect English in 5 minutes, but I definitely have some solid tips that will help you learn how to speak English more fluent in less time. So here are some tips that will help you speak English better than ever. So the very first magical solution I have for you is accept that English is not a brutal language. Yes, accept English is not a brutal language. Now guys, you tell me that when you try to learn English, you cannot concentrate properly and you just skip the learning process. So why does it happen? Well, it happens because you think that English is very difficult language and you feel troublesome, right? So all you need to do is just honestly accept that English is a simple language which you can learn with some efforts and see the magic. Slowly, your confidence will grow and you know confidence is very essential to speak English. So always have a spirit that you can and move on. Now the second tip is dive into the deep. Studying English for an hour or once in a week isn't usually enough to make any real progress. The best way to quickly improve your English is to spend at least a few minutes practicing every day. It will progress your consistency. Immerse yourself as much as possible every time you study and challenge yourself to listen, to read and even to speak English by own. Yeah, in starting you might feel it too difficult, but if you want to learn English fluently, you need to make it. Now the third magical tip is stop being a student. The right attitude can make the difference between failure and success. Stop thinking of yourself as someone who's learning English and start thinking of yourself as someone who speaks English good. It's a small change, but it will make you feel more confident. Yes. But remember that this also means you need to start thinking in English. If you want to say the word apple in English, for example, right now you probably think of a word in your native language first and in English then. But it can totally confuse you. So if you want to say the word apple in English, try to imagine its image because you know real fluency happens when you stop mentally translating conversations. So stop translation and keep imagining. Now the fifth simple but magical tip is get more out of listening. When most students listen to a native English speaker, they focus on understanding what all the words means but how the person says them. Notice which words the person links together in a sentence or when they say "ya" instead of "you." Try to remember these details the next time you speak, you'll be more natural. Now our fifth tip is use it or lose it. There's an expression in English, use it or lose it, which basically means if you don't practice an ability, you might forget it. This idea can be used to help you remember new English vocabulary. The best way to remember a new word is to use it in right way. So it will stay in your memory forever. When you learn a new word, try to say it in sentences a few times over the next week and you'll never forget it. I post new videos twice in a week on Wednesday and Saturday, so visit my channel these days for English improvement. And wait, don't go out of your home. Be safe from Corona. Have a good day.